passage. Can everybody who's at the front all the way around here, can you all scooch back a little bit? Some people are getting crushed. That's not fun. That's not fun.
Thank you!
Yeah.
Thank you!
Everybody over this side as well, please just move back like just a couple steps.
Please. Please. Please.
If everyone could take one step back, just one, or not.
That's fine. What's on the agenda?
Can I get more water, please?
Out there, I know Liam said it. It is so important, guys, that you're not pushing. Really, really important. We've got to finish the boys' sound check now so we can do this for real.
I think I got it.
You get kicked out.
I got it for you. Oh my god. I got it. Oh my god. I love it. Oh my god.
Punching is fine.
Where's my house? Let's push out.
So no pushing close. Be gentle with each other.
Ready?
I'm recording everyone. That's all I'm doing.
She's showing up. She won't forget, having no regrets. It's all that she really wants. Only getting older, baby.
go.
Especially on that night, I have a touch more Harry in my ears.
Kudos.
And can I get a little down as well, please?
Hello.
Right then.
Warm enough.
And also John.
Zayn!
You guys are this time now, yeah? Thank you so much. You guys have been amazing so far. Please be as loud as you can. We'll be back on in about 2 minutes. No, we walk back on, I think. Can I do something before we start the TV show? Can I do it Almighty again with the lads? Yeah. Oh, you want to do it again? You don't have to. We can. I can do it tonight.
Actually, I just thought you were having your own.
I thought you were having a little moment to yourself then.
Yeah, so did I.
Right then, let's start going again. Okay, Niall's having some guitar problems, so if you don't mind, can we do Girl Almighty again? But be warned, you might hear it again and again. Just to be quick. We're going to do Girl Almighty. We're just going to sing Girl Almighty all night. We're not really playing. I did this the other day when we did the thing for the Today Show, but I'm going to do it again. After 3, everybody shout out what your favourite song is on the album and see if we get a general consensus. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, shout! 1, 2, 3. God Almighty!
So many people just watching it tonight.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll never know.
Or not. Again, we'll be Almighty.
So, who's been, raise your hands if you've been at Universal all the way today? Good time on the roller coasters? Was it good? Nice. Yeah. Right then, let's get on with it. Let's go for it. You ready? You ready? Yeah. Good.
for you.
That's enough. No.
Oh my God!
Let's hear for One Direction! Oh man, you're chilling. Bit nippy, isn't it? Said that earlier. Okay, folks, that was the sound check. How's everyone feeling? Is anyone cold? That means you're not dancing enough if you're cold, right? Give everyone a hug. One love, not pushes going on right about now. Okay, folks, the boys are just going backstage really quickly, and we're going to come back and do it for real. So all the energy you just given now, we need to do it
He's right there.
10 times louder.
He's right there.
Now, also, you guys on the stage back there, remember, you are heavily featured, even though you can't see it. When the cameras are zoomed in, we can see every one of you. So, really important that you're smiling, you're getting involved, or you're crying. Listen, if you're going to cry, commit to it. Alright, really go for it. Don't just give us one tear, give us the whole thing. Alright, we are recording, we're going to go, the first few songs we treat as a concert. We're then going to stop and do a couple of little mini links. The boys are going to talk, they're going to go, hello, I'm blah 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 blah, and welcome to blah blah. And you'll go, woo! That kind of stuff,
I got that video, but I sent it to someone and not on my story.
I want this to be the best concert ever. This is only going to happen if you guys look after each other.